Hey guys, I'm Ollie. I am the Training and Onboarding Manager here at Focal. I'm here to talk to you guys about homestaging. So homestaging is really important. It elevates the image and the marketing from something really good to an incredible shot. My quick tips for this is probably going to be things like decluttering, hiding the soaps, the fairy liquids, and remembering that closets and any wardrobe space in the property will be your best friend. So if you do have the space, pop it in there, yeah, your photography will ultimately elevate from a great image to a fantastic image. When you're looking at a set of images that have been home staged and you look at them as a collective, it will look really complete and like it's ready to be sold. People are going to have a lot more interest on some of the portals, come through to your website, and it will generally sell a lot quicker. In my opinion and in my eyes, I believe getting the right results is preparing. What that is generally having a conversation with the vendor before you guys go around to take the photographs, giving a very general overview as a conversation on the phone as to what to tidy up, you know, things like make beds, put your washing away, and then when you do get to the property, or you know, if you are in a conversation with them on the phone, giving them the Get Your Home Ready guide, which we will go through now. The kitchen and the bathroom are your main culprits. That's where a lot of the soaps are. So with things like the kitchen, we'll start there. Your sink is your best friend. It's quite deep, so hide a lot of the stuff in the sink. Things like the fairy liquid, the soaps, the sponges, maybe the olive oil, put that in there because when you are shooting from that waist height, you won't actually see anything. So it's a really good tool to hide things. With things like the bathroom, your bath is definitely your best friend. It's deep, it's quite big, so you can fit a lot of stuff in. So the head and shoulders, the bath sponges, the soaps, pretty much anything that you think will clutter the image, pop it in the bath and you will shoot again from that kind of midsection height, and you will miss pretty much everything. These are the top tips for just both those rooms, but we will have a full guide on how to get your home ready with a checklist. What to do when you are talking with the client or the vendor. Best thing to do is option A, if you are picking up the keys from them and it's a keys job, to call them the day before, explain to them that you are coming around to take the photos and to kind of home stage it how they would see fit. But things to probably mention, I would say, would be to get rid of the washing up that's in the kitchen, get rid of any dirty clothes and anything that's drying maybe in the garden if there is one. Kids' toys, that's always a good one to kind of tidy up the Lego because no one likes stepping on that. The other option is when you are going round and you are meeting the vendor, to probably take the Get Your Home Ready guide with you. Whilst you're doing the floor plan, mention that there are a few things to do. So whilst you are drawing up the measurements and, you know, exploring the house, give that to the vendor, tell them this would be a really good thing to do because it will elevate your marketing of the property to a completely different level, and that will probably be a really good starting point.